students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. Our today's question is, sum of zeros of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8 is option minus 8, 2, minus 2 or 8. So for this polynomial equation, the corresponding quadratic equation will be x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. So for any general quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have two roots or two zeros, which is alpha and beta, and sum of zeros alpha plus beta, as we know, it can be, we can write it as minus b by a, and alpha beta product of roots we can write as c by a. Correct? So let's compare this two equation and write the alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta will be minus b and minus times b, and b here is minus 2. So minus times minus 2 divided by a, and a here is 1. So this will be equals to minus times minus 2 is 2. So our correct answer will be B option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.